YouTube family, what's good, what's good? All right, let's get right to it. So what we're looking at right now, we're looking at today's NASA's picture of the day. Or yesterday's NASA's picture of the day, whatever. Today's the 24th. And so we're staring at Cassini's still picture of its image of Saturn and its rings. So this is a picture of Cassini taking a picture of Saturn and its rings in between the planet and its rings. All right? I wanted to touch on a couple of things. So first off, it's funny how every time these quote-unquote probes, right, out in space, if they're claiming always to be out in space, they're taking a picture of either our planet or a planet, right, from a close enough distance to where they can still see particular features of the planet. And then they'll call it an image, which means it's not the actual picture. It's an artist's rendition. But anyway, so every time they take a picture of this thing, it's a complete sphere. It's a complete circle, a complete perfect circle. Meanwhile, Neil deGrasse Tyson and company says, oh, Earth is a spheroid. It's shaped like a football. I hear people taking up the terms oblate spheroid, pear-shaped. So this thing is shaped like anything but any and everything but a ball, right? Or a circle. But circles can also be flat. Anyway, I digress. So looking at this image right here, right? A couple of things we need to know about Saturn. So Saturn is obviously, yes, furthest from the sun. What's the order of precedence from closest to furthest when it comes to these planets? So you have the sun, you have Mercury, then you have Venus, then you have Earth, like the show, third planet from the sun, then you got Mars, then you got Jupiter, and then finally you have Saturn, right? Saturn is what? The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th planet from the sun. Why is that important, and why is that something that I want to touch on today? Well, if you look at the northern pole of Saturn, you're going to look at something very significant about it. You're going to look at that weird shaped thing at the top, right? What that is police. What that is the northern pole of Saturn. And that's a what? Not an octagon, not a nonagon, but a hexagon. A hexagon. A six-sided joint at the top of Saturn. A six-sided weather anomaly, I guess you could say, quote-unquote weather anomaly, because they claim that thing is real at the top of Saturn. That thing's not real. They're lying to us again, but I just find it funny that it's a six-sided object at the top, and then Saturn is also the sixth planet from the sun. Tell me what you guys think about that phenomena. I think it's funny. NASA is always lying to us about some nonsense, and here they go again with it. But YouTube family, tell me what you think. In the meantime, y'all stay up. Good luck, health, wealth, prosperity, love, money. We're almost at the new year, but most of all, most importantly, wisdom. Open up your eyes, open up your hearts, open up your ears. Wisdom. Love y'all. Peace.